Hello, this is Errol, and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 525 Southport Drive in Longwood, Florida. Let's take a look. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom renovated home, and it comes with a pool, screened-in pool, and hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. It is in a cul-de-sac, so here's a video of the community. We'll go inside. Over here you have your dining room. And over here you have your kitchen with an island. The home has gas, electric, and water. Your laundry room with a foldable table. And it also has a wash area over here as well. There's some really neat upgrades to the property. For example, the garage comes with a AC, so it's nice and cool in here. Fans in every room, skylight, and look at this. That's pretty cool. You can close the skylight. Over here, we are in the living room or family room. Built-in speakers on the wall over there. On the right side of the house is your master bedroom. You have Here's your bathroom. You have a space to put a vanity there if you'd like. Stand-up shower with the rainfall, waterfall shower. Split floor plan. There's the second bathroom. There's also a linen closet over here, here's your first guest bedroom. And here is the third bedroom. This room has 2 closets. So we have one closet over here. And then there's the second closet as well. Upgraded windows throughout the house. And then we'll step out to the backyard. Big open patio. Well, I'm sorry. It's actually a screened-in patio. It's also covered. We'll come over here. Fenced yard. And it also comes with a shed. So you can keep your lawn equipment there, save the garage for the cars. And yeah, this is 525 Southport Drive in Longwood, Florida. Hopefully you like this property, and hopefully you like the video. Have a good day.